of 100%.
Alright, eto pa ang sunod nating challenger na nagmula pa sa Imos, Cavite. Don Rosales, this is your moment.
I used to think that I could not go home, and love was nothing but an awful song. But now I know the meaning of true love. I'm leaning on the everlasting God. If I can see it, then I can do it. If I just believe it, there's nothing to it. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. See me running through that open door. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. Babe, 'cause I believe in me. I can see it, then I can do it. If I just believe it, there's nothing to it. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. See me running through that open door. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. Oh, I can fly. Yes, I can fly. I can fly.
Nice to see you again. Siya yung nag-audition nung Sunday sa SM Bacoor sa This Is Your Moment.
Wow.
Tapos ako nagsabi sa kanya, pwede siya bumalik at sumali sa This Is
Ang
Kantahan.
galing mo naman, Grace. Congratulations. Don, mayaman yan. Don yan di ba?
Bakit?
Don pinakamayaman, mas mayaman sa kanya si Don naman. Don Ontiveros, Don Sarmino. Pero
Rocco?
ang pinakamayaman, alam mo kung sino?
Tarangin
Si
natin
Dennis
Rocco.
Trillion. Rocco. Ano ba tawag na tawag? Hindi pa tapos yung joke ko.
Corny pero nakakatawa talaga.
Thank you, Rocco. Rocco ka.
Panalo. Anyway, Don, nakikinig talaga ako kanina kasi kanta ni R. Kelly yan eh. Isa siya sa mga idols ko talaga. So, titinan ko talaga kung papasa ka sa standards talaga ni R. Kelly. And dude, you delivered it well. And isang maganda sa performance mo kanina, marunong kang maglaro. Camera sa mga tao. Tingnan mo, napatili mo ang mga babae kanina. So, ayun. So, what I can say about you, ayun, tingnan mo. So, ayaw na tumigil. So, overall, isa kang total performer. Very good. Pwede ka pang Party Pilipinas. Nakakakilig ka ng mga babae dito, oh. Thank you po. Ayos.
Thank you so
Rocco.
much, Rocco.
So, kanta pala ni R. Kelly yun. Kung si Rocco, hindi pwedeng apelido Rocco kasi Rocco. Si R. Kelly, hindi naman pwede niyang pangalan Kelly. Kelly naman. Di ba? Geneva.
Ano Kelly? I apologize on behalf of my co-host.
That's okay. I know that person too well. Anyways,
Thank you.
Yeah, your voice is really beautiful. Alam mo yung ang ganda ng, may pagka parang Jay Durias ang dating, no? Yung parang, buo na husky na hindi mo maintindihan. Ang ganda. Actually, mukha kang rockstar, pero pag kumulot, parang medyo parang mga kaibigan kong sina Chris Lawrence at sila JR, di ba? Pero buong-buo yung boses. Very good. And ang tingin ko lang, parang walang kaano-ano. Parang wala lang, nakatayo lang siya doon. I believe I can fly. Parang wala lang effort. Parang ganon. Parang nilalaro mo lang, which is good. And siguro, I think you're the type of person na kaya mo laruin yung mga audience pa, mas pakiligin mo pa yung mga chicks. Ang ganda ng smile mo, you have really nice dimples.
Thank you, Miss Geneva.
Narinig ko sinabi ni ba, walang effort kasi kailangan may effort. Lalo na pag pupunta ka sa ibang lugar. Yan dapat. Di ba effort? Michelle,
Yanni, that's airport, not
Sorry,
effort.
sorry.
And you know what? I agree with Geneva. If there's one word for you, Dawn, it's effortless. You sing effortlessly, and you sing it with, you sing well, effortlessly, and you look good even without you, putting so much effort. You're actually so pogy. You have lots of star quality. You have lots of star appeal. And you know what? You picked the right song because we really do believe that you can fly. And you know what? Since you can fly, to me, you're a bird. And if you're a bird, you're an eagle. Eagle as in ewan. Ang galing. Lako masabi. Eagle.
You know what, Payali? Alam mo sino kamukha niya?
Oh.
Nakita ko sa screen, si Jacob ng Twilight.
Oo nga!
Diba?
Totoo.
Kamukha niya si Jacob.
Kamukha mo si Jacob. Sino si Jacob? Sino si Jacob?
Yung werewolf sa Twilight.
Werewolf, oo.
Ano ba?
Tama.
Sobrang sikat kaya yun.
Oo.
Ikaw kasi Bayani, matanda ka na. Hindi mo na
Totoo.
mga Twilight. Era, diba? Tama, Sam?
Ewan ko, nalilito tuloy ako kung mukha-mukha ni nun.
Hindi niya kamukha si Taylor Lautner. Kamukha niya.
Sabi ni Michelle, mukha siyang bird. Sabi niya, mukhang
Werewolf.
Twilight. Werewolf.
Oo.
Hindi ko maintindihan masyado. People of the world, alam na